Hey guys, it's your girl Lex Poetic Nails, and I'm coming back to you with a DIY. I am taking a 0 size nail and a Q-tip, and I am going to glue the Q-tip on the back of the nail. So it's basically going to be a nail holder, and I am going to be doing like an army fatigue nail with all of them. So I'm going to do them with every nail that you see in this video. I'm going to use the colorway, the family actually. So it's like a black, a white, a purple, light purple, lime green, dark green. So colors like that. So right now I am just going to be gluing each of them on. And this is a great way to like practice like drawing methods, practice painting skills. Instead of using like acrylic and wasting it, you can actually just use a holder to place on the nail so that you can actually practice. So this is what I'm going to do, and I will be back.
Look, they gave a bitch 2 options, stripping and loose. Used to dance in the club right across from my school. I said dance, not fuck, don't get it confused. Had to set the record straight 'cause bitches love to assume. Mama couldn't give it to me, had to get it in suits. Lord only knows how I got it in suits. I was covered in dollars, now I'm dripping in jewels. A bitch played with my money, might as well spit in my food. Bitches hating my guts, now they said it was cool. Went from making 2 sandwiches to making the news. I started speaking my mind, and tripping my views. Real bitch, only thing fake is the boobs. Get money, go hard, motherfucking right. Never been a fraud in my motherfucking life. Get money, go hard, damn fucking right. Stone on these bitches out of motherfucking spite. Ain't no running up on me, went for nothing to glory. I ain't telling y'all to do it, I'm just telling my story. I don't hang with these bitches 'cause these bitches be corny. And I got enough bro.
Okay guys, so I came back and I actually completed. It was actually a lot. I think I did like 20 or 22. Don't mind the short one. Actually the glue that I use, the KDS glue, is kind of strong, and not kind of, very strong, so you have to be careful. So I just cut it because like the glue was like sticking to the paper, so I just cut it, and I didn't feel like wasting a nail. So now I am taking the clean color in a gel, the orange. Actually, I'm taking that and I'm placing it on the nail, and then I am going to use a lighter orange version of it so that those two will be in the orange family. I am going to place that in the oh, I messed up, so going back over. So I had placed it in the UV LED light to let it sit for like 90 seconds, and then I'm going in with another one, and that's my other orange right there, and that is a regular polish, no gel to it. And I'm gonna be doing it to each nail, and I will be back. So I had placed the orange one in the LED light. Now I'm taking this lime color, like it's like a yellow color, and I had shook it up and placed it onto the side. Now I am doing a second coat of the orange gel, and then I'm gonna place it back into the LED light, and I'm gonna do it again for the light orange one. And then when I do that, I'm gonna go over to the next one, which is the lime yellow one, and you will see. Okay, so now I was like, you know what, let me do brown. So I just took it. I was like, bump the lime yellow one for right now. And I was just like, all right, let me just take this brown. Because I was staring at it and I was supposed to do the brown first. So I'm using the clean color. That is the regular polish. All right, so finally I am doing the second coat for the, regular orange one. This is going to be, a process. It's not an easy process unless you're only doing like 2 colors. It takes literally like 5 minutes. But to do like 20 colors, 20 plus colors, it's a lot. So I just run my finger over it and I was like, all right, it's not dry enough because I have to put more paint on top of it. And I didn't want it to smear. So now, I took out another brown, and that is a lighter version. I think that is a regular polish. Yes, that is a regular polish. I'm using all clean color way. I do have some like OPI colors and stuff, but this is all clean colors. I took the black, so now I'm doing the black one. And I'm just painting it. I love that. It's a number 5. I remember that black color. It's a number 5 in a clean color. So I'm just, you see how like nice it comes on. That color that is right there, which is not on my nails, that's a different color. That's the Nail Secret color, the Soak Off Gel black that I'm wearing. So next I am finally struggling to open this nail polish. I am struggling. So yeah, I will be back. I am really struggling with this nail polish. I will be back, guys. So I finally got it to open and the orange is finally done. Thank the Lord. Okay, and you see I got the yellow in my hand. I was like really struggling with that one. All right, so now I am taking the black and I am just drawing lines on it here, there, everywhere. And then I am just basically putting I think I'm using paint, the Nichols art paint. You could get it from AC Moore or wherever your arts and craft store is. So I am just putting a dot and then dragging it. So basically dot, drag, dot, drag. And then you'll see me going in with a different color. So I'm just wiping it off. And then I am going to go in with the opposite of the orange. So I am going to use the other orange and I'm going to place it on there. Then I'm going to use a white, I believe. But let's just see. So I got this color, yep. So the light orange, and I'm going to go in. So basically I'm just filling in the blank spots. I am going to be doing different lines on the nails of the Army Fatigue. So I'm going to do like straight, wiggly, the ones that go into each other. So you'll be seeing different ones, and it is going to be a part 2 to this video because it's actually, like I said, I did 20 plus colors. So I will be back, guys. Okay guys, so now I have finally the light orange and it is very nice. So I went in with the white first. So like I said, dot, drag, dot, drag, dot, drag, dot, drag. So basically I'm putting the white, like I said, and then I'm gonna go in with the brighter orange, then black, and you just see me doing more white lines because I wanted the white to pop out more. So now I was wiping the brush, and then I am going to go in with another color. And okay, Alexis, what's taking you so long? Girl, get it together. Come on, I'll wait on you. I'm still waiting. Okay. So now I went in with the bright orange. Guys, I recorded this. I did not do the voiceover at the same time. So I forgot what colors I did. So I am going with the bright orange and with little lines. Remember, you don't have to do the same method as me. You could just do straight lines. You don't have to do the dot drag, but it was just easier. So now I'm just going in with the black. Ooh, I'm speeding up, y'all. She like, don't play with me. But anyways, so yeah, I'm going in with the black. All right, I see what you're doing. So it's just amazing how like you could see what you've done and then like see it again with like a fresh pair of eyes. But you know what I'm trying to say, like, you know, to review what you have done. It's like reviewing your work, your homework, coming back in with a whole new perspective. But yeah, so yeah, I'm just going over with some lines and I will be back, guys. Okay guys, so now I am doing the dark brown. I just took it out of the highlight and I am putting the brown over it. So you already know this is the method. Boom, boom, you put the brown coat and then I am going to put it back in the lead light. Boom, take the other one out. While I take the other one out, now I am going to put another coat on top of that. Boom, boom. See, you know the method. I don't even know why I'm talking. But yeah, so just make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to comment down below if you want to hear me talk more or just keep my videos plain and simple, me doing my nails without no talking. And yeah, so now I finally took the black and I am putting some gray on it, and then I'm put some black, and then I'm put some like a little bit of glitter on it, because you know black, you can't never go wrong. So yeah, I am using the paint for that one. And then I am going to be using white, like I said. So I'm just, you know, I'm doing the drag motion for this one. I'm like, okay now. I'm still not done with this nail, y'all. But y'all get the gist. Just make sure y'all give this a thumbs up. Comment down below if you want to hear me talk more. And I'm going to name this the DIY Camo, or should I say arm fatigue nail, no acrylic. Boom, got it. Love y'all. Peace.